This is a 2010 GL 450. Customer brought it to me. It says, took it to the dealer, bunch of mechanic, they cannot figure out what's wrong with it. She will drive it sometime out of nowhere. She goes to put it in drive, I'm sorry. It won't go nowhere. And it will tell you to take it to the shop. After she will shut the car down, it will not start again. So I looked everything looked fine. And this is for any model, used car. If you're buying a used car and you are the second owner or third owner or whatever, you have a problem like that, no one start out of nowhere, you might want to check the car, make sure it has no GPS. This puts in by the dealership when you do buy here, pay here car. So if you don't make a payment, they disable the car and they come tow it and repo it. If you still owe money on your car, you're not allowed to touch this until you pay the car off. It's in the contract. If you remove it, you're breaking the contract, and I don't think it will go too well for you. But once the car's paid off, like this one, and you have a no start problem, they checked everything, you might want to look into this. I'm not gonna show the serial number, but this is the name, you can look it up. They have an option for the dealer to push a button and disable your car, and later on they send a tow truck and they repo it, or they wait for you to send it to the body shop because they see every location on this car by this, and they just go to the body shop or whatever, they get it from there. Make sure you pay your bills and make sure your car doesn't have this once it's paid off.